For over 6 years, MICTUNING is devoted to researching and developing LED rock light, and become the pioneer leader in the market. After fully researched on market and user need, we designed this purest and brightest rock light along with patented appearance. That's what a true rock light should look like. Pure Color. The C1 RGBW adopted advanced LED technology, features pure colors, has separate pure white light. Not like others with mottled colors and without white light. Just download our app MICTUNING, you can easily DIY your favorite color. MICTUNING Suite exclusive MagicLink app. One app can control all MICTUNING lights, help you to get rid of multiple apps. It can connect multiple lights of same type to control, which is the best choice in the market. Welcome to join in MICTUNING FAMILY. Bluetooth controller. Use advanced chip from Broadcom is solving the headache of unstable Bluetooth connection, and let you connect the Bluetooth more quicker and stable. Bonus. It allows 8 sets 4 PCs or 8 PCs rock lights connected at one time. Search for MICTUNING C1 RGBW rock light app operation on YouTube for how to connect. Durable construction. Aircraft aluminum housing for better heat dissipation, premium LED, IP68 waterproof and dustproof, longer lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Extendable wire, easy installation, up to 11.48 feet of wiring, 4x 11.48 feet and 4x 6.56 feet. That is plenty of length to put it where you want. If you need extra extension cord, PLS search for ASNB07Z39Y6KF. Satisfaction Defender. Buy with confidence. We stand behind our products all the time. 30 days money back, replacement, worry-free 24-month warranty, within 4 hours friendly response, lifetime customer support. Top reviews from the United States. Worst rock lights ever. Terrible customer support. Have to wait days for a response. I've had them for 1 year and 4 months in, lights already gave me problems. MICTUNING support did not help nor gave me any responses to my questions. Lights came on when turned off, stayed a constant white glow and flickered. Do not buy these lights, waste of money.